boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. This one will be a quick one. This is a Black and Eli Derby's Lately. So it's all about two chords. I choose to play this with a capo here on the first fret. You can choose to play it without capo, then you need to have your finger as a bar there on this first fret. I'm lazy, I go with capo on first. So that's what you're gonna look at now, the two chords first, and it will be a switch between the G major 7 like this and the C major 7 like this. So very easy like that, okay? So the G major 7, capo on first, third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B, and open E. All right. Here we're gonna focus on this B string. We wanna bring that one in and try to avoid the open E string when we play the G major 7, all right? And next chord and final will be the C major 7. So just move your grip one string down and everything, and that will give you third on A, second on D, and open G, open B, and open E. So everything else is open. And here you want to emphasize the E string, the open E string, all right? I'm going to show you how to handle these two chords now. So it's all about one strumming pattern, and that's it for the song. It goes like this. The G parts. Okay? So it's down, clap, down, down, clap. And like I said, try to get this open B string, this one, so down, clap, down, down, clap. Okay, then you switch to the C. When you play the C now, it will sound like this. All right. So that will be pretty much the same strumming, kind of. I'm gonna show you now. You're gonna play C, down, clap, down, down, down. Okay? So everything is the same except from the last touch there. Instead of clap, like you did in the G, you're gonna play an extra down. Okay. So why? Because now when you play the C, you're gonna try to play more on the bass strings, the first three downs. So down, clap, down, down. And on the final down, you really want to get this note here, the open E string. So you can try to avoid it with the three downs first to really emphasize it on the final down, the last down there. So it will be on C, down, clap, down, down, down. Okay. And that shows that it's a new round going on. Switch to G, and it goes like this, round and round. So to summarize this, on G, down, clap, down, down, clap. Try to get the open B note. And then you switch to C and play down, clap, down, down, down. So a couple rounds of this will be yeah, that's it, guys. Good luck with Black and Eli Derby's Lately, and play tuned.